How to upload full profile picture on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can upload full profile picture on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by this, what you mean is that Facebook is usually going to crop your profile picture whenever you're trying to upload a new one. So when I come to my profile page, I tap on my profile icon and then I tap on select profile picture. Whenever I choose a certain photo here, it is going to crop it automatically, but the thing is Facebook is not cropping it. It is only displaying currently in a circle. So as long as your photo exists till here your photo is actually going to display. It is only showing up in a circle. For example, let me show you here. If I come to my main page, my profile icon is actually in circle, but the thing is that this is not only in circle, but if I select see profile picture, I can see it in a full resolution. So that is the thing how it works. Facebook might show you as a circle, but it is not really a circle. Your photo is already being uploaded as long as it is not in a weird aspect ratio. So you want to make sure that it fits the aspect ratio of Facebook profile picture. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.